Hi friend, it is me Lama, and then in this video I'll be teaching you how to install Zoom in your Android mobile. It is easy, just you have to go to Play Store, locate your Play Store in the mobile, click there and search for Zoom Cloud Meeting. Okay, so once you do that one, search it, then you will get Zoom Cloud Meeting with the many photos you can see, and you have to install. It will take time, depends on your Wi-Fi speed, internet bandwidth speed. So it is just for 35 MB. It's taking time. Okay, so my Zoom is downloading now. It says downloading Zoom. Okay, 81%. I'm just browsing through. I feel bored to wait, so it is installing. Support for meeting password required. Add settings to message review chat. Zoom is a free SD meeting app with video and screen sharing for up to 100 people. So you can understand now 100 people we can talk with 100% at once. Now Zoom has installed. Now you can see here open, click open. Okay, accept it. Since it is mi phone, so it will ask me to accept. Now if I don't want to open from here, I can go here and you can see Zoom has installed here. Click Zoom and start meeting. Okay, so it will give some tutorial, just see, go through if you want to. And now if you haven't signed up, then you can sign up here. If you've already signed up after looking my previous video, so it is done, you can sign up with your Google account also, so no problem. Let me show you once. Sign up here, click sign up, and you have to verify your date of birth. So if you verify your date of birth, then it will lead you to new option steps. So let me cancel, and now if you have already met, then you can just say sign in, and it is asking me email ID and the password. Since I have logged in with my Google account, so I can just click Google account. If you have opened your password Zoom account with Zoom Facebook, then you can click on Facebook. So in my case I will click Google. It will redirect me into the browser, and where I'll have option for my Google account. So let me click my Google account. I have selected my Google account, and it says allow this page to open Zoom. Yes, I want to open. Okay, so you can see it is saying connecting. Here we go. Now we are in our dashboard. We are logged into our uh, Zoom account. Now you can see I have already scheduled my some meeting, and we can chat here. You can create in the join, you can join the meeting. If you happen to find someone invited you, then you can join here, or you can share a screen here. If you click here, we can share a screen, and you can create new meeting here. If you click, then you can start new meeting. You can do that one. It is very much easy in phone also, and it is handy. You don't have to carry your laptop. So I hope you understood how to install and log into your existing Zoom account. Thank you very much for watching.